Alright, asikhulume ngana question 7. Lana it's all about measurement. And the description box kunama links for other recordings for the question paper. It is November 2022. Nov 2022. This is question 7 again. Thanks for tuning in, guys. There's also a link in the description box to another YouTube channel check for our lessons only. Now, Lago 7.1, but the roof of a canvas tent, it is in the shape of a right pyramid having a perpendicular height, I think underline a perpendicular height of 0.8 meters on a square base. So this height to 0.8 is perpendicular, so it means lana it's 90 degrees. So this perpendicular height is measured from the center of the roof. So we roof here to inside is so e square. Yes, e square so right. Basically, the length of each side on the base is 3 meters. Now 3 meters. Now F is 3 meters. Now GC now is about 3 meters, meaning that the base is square as well as the roofing. The base of the roofing is over a square now. So it's 3 meters, 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 3 meters at the back as well. Now, Lago 7.1.1, but if you calculate the height AH, the slanted height. So if you want to calculate the slanted height, now AH, right? So since you know the height, which is 0.8, basically this base UGC is 3 meters. Right, it's 3 meters. Since the height lena is perpendicular and is taller at the center of this square, it means that 3 divided by 2 is taller 1.5. This distance from la all the way up to la, it's halfway through. It's halfway through It's halfway through the side of the roofing. That's why it's 1.5, right? So since lana it's 90 degrees, this height is perpendicular. So sizosebenzisa Pythagoras theorem Pythagoras theorem. So sizoti AH, which is the hypotenuse, the hypotenuse is equal to 0.8 this side squared plus 1.5 squared. Sithola answer of 0.8 squared plus 1.5 squared. Answer A2 2.89 AH squared, taking the square root on both sides. So we'll go to AH will equal to answer A 2.89, answer 1.7 meters. Now answer A2 again. 7.1.2, so calculate the surface area of the roof. So calculate the surface area of the roof. Okay. Now the roofing is right pyramid, meaning that lama triangles lawa ama right angles. Yeah, ama right angles. Wapanang draw the height from A all the way up to H. You want to a right angle. So lama sides lawa ama triangles. 1, 2, 3. There's another side on the other. There's another side at the back. So there's also another side ngapha eside. So our sides I4 around the roofing of our triangles. Yes. So sizoti the surface area is just the area of each face around the roofing edge. So the area In fact, it's the surface area. The surface area is equal to, let me say, 4 times, or in bracket, 1/2, which is half base times the height. You multiply on 4 ngoba there's 4 faces around the roofing it. So it's 4 open bracket 1/2 times, what is the base? What is the base? Okay, lama triangle ayafana la. This face ifana na this face, ifana na this face, ifana na this face. Yes? So the base is 3 meters. The base, and so from la to la, it's 3 meters. It's 3 meters. It's a square base of, the roof has a square base. So it's 3, 3, 3, 3 around. The height that we calculate, 1,7. Bese answer yethu la kuzoba 4 times 0,5 times 3 times 1,7. 10,2 meters squared. Get the units right. La it was e length, so it's just meters. Surface area, it's meters squared. 7.1.3. Right. Lana, if the height of the walls if the height of the walls of the tent is 2.1 meters, calculate the total amount of canvas required to make the tent if the floor is excluded. So nabazowakha le tent leni sifuna ukwazi ukuthi badinga i-canvas engakanani ezocovera the walls of i-tent yethu, meaning that sifuna i-surface area in a way. Sifuna ukwazi ukuthi i-area required for the canvas ekwamele i-covere the area around the canvas kwamele bengakanani. So again, sithatha the area for one side, which is a rectangle. I also exclude the floor. The floor is excluded. So sina 1, 2, 3, 4 yama faces again. But this time in a rectangle, it's 3 times low 2.1. So the surface area of our walls is equal to 4 again times length times breadth. This is the formula for calculating area a rectangle. 4 times, then the length to 3 times the breadth, yet you go 2.1. Answer 4 times 3 times 2.1, 25.2 meters squared. Now answer again. Now say the second part of the question, where says kulumange metal ball. A metal ball. So a metal ball has a radius of 8 millimeters. So now iloganje metal ball yethu la in a radius of 8 millimeters. 7.2.1. Calculate the volume of the metal used to make this volume. Give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. It's for the volume. So this ball, this metal ball is sphere, like, right? If I ball is sphere anyway. So the volume for a sphere naila. So the volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. So 4/3 times pi. What is the radius? There's nothing difficult la. It's just plug and go. You plug in, you calculate. Plug in a value space, you calculate. So this is 4/3, yes, times 8 raised to exponent 3. Thina sisafunda amaloganja, ama formulas, especially for a measurement. The formulas you were not given bekwamele uwazi by. by heart, meaning that kwamele uwazi before ilo kanje. In an exam angeke bakuphe ku formula sheet, angeke bakuphe wona in a question like this, angeke bakuphe wona. So you had to study back in those days. So now laba ba generous kakhulu futhi, they give you a formula, bakubuza ama questions, it's just plug solve, plug solve, plug solve. It's just a matter of understanding equation ukuthi bafunani. Yes. Now ku 7.2.2, if the radius of the ball is doubled, write down the ratio of the new volume to the original volume. So sifuna the ratio of the new volume to the original volume. So the original volume Nyla, do we have to? No, we don't have to. We do not have to, but ungayenza. Okay, ngicabanga this thing le ukuthi alright, ungayenza so 2144,66, right? This is the volume of the original shape, of the original sphere. Then for the new one, you have 16 now. Actually it's doubled. 8 times 2 is 16. Bese ucalculate le new volume, uthola u17, 17157, 28, then we divide up both sides by the smallest number, 2144,66, 2144,66, right? Lana sothola u1. Let's divide it by this. Divide it by the smallest value, by the way. Then city divide by 2144,66. The answer ubani? 8. 8. 8 to 1. Or ungavele uthi okay, since the radius is being doubled, ne? Since the radius is being doubled again, the new volume to the original volume. The original volume, the radius yakhona, okay, yasithi so radius yakhona ubani? 8. For this one, the radius is doubled again, so it's 2 times 8 raised to exponent 3. I'm just comparing our radiuses for the new volume and the original volume. So this is the radius for the original volume, as far as cubed in other. So it's 2 times 8 equal to cubed. Uthola 4093, 96 I mean, equal not equal to 2, 8 to 3, 512. Right, person divide on 512 nangapha 44096 divided by 512 again in tolubani 8. So it's 8 to 1. Ungayenza ngale ndlela le or this way, but lana you have to calculate the new volume. Yes. Now for the last question again, for the last question, bafuna, okay, 7.2.3, you would like this ball to be silver plated to a thickness of 1 millimeter. What is the volume of the silver required? Give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. Okay. All right, how do I explain this one? All right, I said this so. I think throw a ball la. Nali bola letula, right? The radius of the ball. Of course, so the metal ball has a radius of 8 millimeters. So it's 8 millimeters radius here. Yes. Now siyabuya ke manje sithi alright, we want to plate this ball ngesilver. Sifuna ukuplate this ball with silver, but the radius yakhona, I mean the thickness, it should be 1 millimeter thickness. 1 millimeter thickness. Okay, this one idinga ukuthi ucabange a little bit creative nyana ngama calculations wow, ngoba we want the volume for the silver la, right? So 8 plus 1, I get the radius of, after plating ngale silver ngithola radius kabani ka 9 millimeters. Now let's calculate the new volume. So the volume with the 9 millimeter radius is over equal to 4 over 3 pi r cubed. So we about 4 over 3 pi, what is the radius? 9 get this time, cubed. 9 cubed. So as la, it's velocity 9. The answer about 30, 53, 63. 30, 53, 63. Okay, this is in millimeter cubed, right? So this is the volume of the entire ball with the silver plating, right? So bheka ke manje, the volume, le volume esicalculate la ku 7.2.1. this one, this volume is equal to sithola ubani konje 2144,62 millimeter cubed, right? So this is the volume without the plating, yani without the plating yellow kanje ye silver. So by doing this, V volume difference uma ngizothatha le volume ye silver plating, this one with 30, 53,63, ngi subtract the one without a silver plating, 2144,62, I should get the volume of the silver again, minus 2144,62 izonginikeza 909 ngisubtracte kahle mara 53,63 minus 44,62, nice, 0.1 millimeter cubed. This is the volume of any silver. By finding the volume difference between the one I plated and the one without the plating, uthola the volume of silver. So question 7 wethu uzophelela lana guys. Thanks for tuning in. Ungakhohlwa ukulike, ukushare nokusubscribe nangabe uyayi-enjoya i-content engicreatayo. So for now guys, I'm signing out. Asibonane on the next recording. Bye bye.